अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, आज औरंगज़ेब आपको सिखाएगा कि मसाला फ़िश कैसे बनती है। मैं सिर्फ वीडियोज़ नहीं बनाता, इंटरव्यूज़ नहीं करता, जस्ट साफ़ी नहीं हूँ, मैं खाने बनाने भी जानता हूँ। आई नो हाउ टू कुक एंड टुडे आई एम गोना शो यू हाउ टू कुक द मसाला फ़िश, स्पाइसी मसाला फ़िश। Just stay with me and see the whole process. It's very easy. First of all, chop onion and put in the hot oil and make it brown. As soon as the onion getting brown, just add some garlic and ginger paste. And this is the time to add some chopped tomato inside the mixture. And you need to be very fast in this process. Now we will add some water in there to make tomato more soft and put the lid on for at least 3 or 4 minutes. Now you can see tomato get soft like a paste. Now we will add some salt, crushed chili. Now we will add fish spice mix, half packet. See our beautiful paste ready. Masala ready. Masala तैयार है. Add some black pepper as well. I have barramundi. I already washed, but again just rinse it. Very nicely and gently just add this fish to the masala. And very nicely just mix all the fish inside the spice and covered with the spice. Put the lid on for 8 to 10 minutes. After that you can see the fish is very beautifully covered with the spice masala. You can add in this stage little bit more water to make the gravy. As you can see, I already add the water and the fish is very juicy now, bit gravy you can see, but keep cooking. Now the fish is ready. It's totally ready. No need to be overcooked. We will put on top some green coriander leaves. I already chopped and washed for the more flavor. And here we go. Our fish is ready. Masala fish ready. Ready to serve, ready to eat. जी तो दोस्तों, मेरी मसाला फ़िश तैयार है और मैंने उसको पूरे तरीके से गार्निश करके हल्का फुल्का डेकोरेट कर दिया है. देखें. So I have my rice ready as well. Fish is ready. Now I will eat. Masala fish is ready. I'll eat with rice, but you guys can eat with roti as well, chapati. And this is very easy recipe, very yummy. And hope you will like this video. Definitely I will make another video cooking something else, something Italian as well. Just stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, yes, please subscribe channel, and I will show you many other video as well. Allah Hafiz. Eat with rice, but you guys can eat with roti as well, chapati. And this is very easy recipe, very yummy. And hope you will like this video. Definitely I will make another video cooking something else, something Italian as well. Just stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, yes, please subscribe channel, and I will show you many other video as well. Allah Hafiz.